नमस्कार दोस्तों, फिर से स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे चैनल जीएस एकेडमी पर। चलिए फिर से पांच क्वेश्चंस बायोलॉजी, केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स के सॉल्व करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच फ्रॉम बायोलॉजी विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ प्राइमरी फूड प्रोडक्ट। इनमें से कौन प्राइमरी फूड प्रोडक्ट नहीं है? ए वेजिटेबल, बी मिल्क, सी cereals, डी fruits. Second, which of the vegetable have abundance of vitamin A and vitamin C? A brinjal, B ladyfinger, C potato, D tomato. Question number 3. Which of the following defense of the human body against bacteria? A hemoglobin, B phagocytes, C red blood cells, D blood platelets. Number 4. Which of the following nerves connected from eyes to ears? A cerebrum, B cerebellum, C medulla, D spinal cord. Now question number 5. Leukemia is a disease that results from some kind of disorders in blood. Precisely, leukemia occurs due to ल्यूकेमिया क्यों होता है? हीमोग्लोबिन ए, हीमोग्लोबिन इंक्रीज इन ब्लड, बी मार्क्ड इंक्रीज ऑफ वाइट ब्लड कॉर्पस्कल्स इन ब्लड, सी मार्क्ड इंक्रीज ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड कैल्शियम, डी मार्क्ड रिडक्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड कैल्शियम. 6 number question, what is blood pressure? A, it is the pressure that the blood clot exerts over the brain. B, it is pressure that blood receives on account of faulty commands from the brain. C, it is the pressure that fatness or old age exerts on body's circulatory system. D, it is the amount of pressure on blood as a result of the heart's pumping function and resistance of the atrial walls. And answers हैं, फर्स्ट का है बी मिल्क, सेकेंड का है डी टोमेटो, 3 का है बी फैगोसाइट, 4 का है बी सेरिबेलम, 5 का है बी मार्क्ड इंक्रीज ऑफ WBCs इन ब्लड, 6 का है डी इट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन द ब्लड एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ हार्ट्स पंप फंक्शन एंड रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ एट्रियल वॉल्स. चलते हैं अब क्वेश्चंस, केमिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चंस की तरफ. तो नंबर फर्स्ट है, ग्रीन सॉल्वेंट्स आर डिराइव फ्रॉम डैश. ए रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेस, B carbon sources, C non-renewable sources, D all of this. Number second, eating tobacco and throwing on road can produce dash pollutants. A air, B soil, C noise, D water. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? A CO, B O3 ozone जिसे कहते हैं हम, C CH4, D H2O vapor. Question number 4. Which of the following is not the components of photochemical smog that occurs in warm, dry and sunny climate? A NO2, B O3, C SO3, D unsaturated hydrocarbons. Number 5. Which of the following treatment is used for removal of biological impurities? A sedimentation, B boiling, C sterilization, D distillation. Question number 6. Which of the following indicator used in determination of hardness? A EBT, B phenol, B phenolphthalein, C methyl orange, D thymol blues. Answers of chemistry are, first A renewable resources, 2 का B soil, 3 का A कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, 4 का C SO3, 5 का C स्टरलाइजेशन, 6 का A फिनोल्फथलीन. Now the question of physics. Which of the following is incorrect about the interatomic and intermolecular forces? A, both the forces are electrical in origin, both the forces are active over short distances. C, general shape of force distance graph is similar for both the forces. D, none of the above. To which of the following relations between the kinetic energy and potential energy is true about solids? A. Kinetic energy is equal to potential energy. B. Kinetic energy is greater than potential energy. Kinetic energy is more greater than potential energy, and kinetic energy is less than potential energy. Number 3, what is the ratio of change in configuration to the original configuration called as? A. Strain, B. Stress, C. Elasticity, D. Rebound. Now, fourth number question, which of the following strains is produce a body if the deforming force produces a change in shape of the body without changing its volume? A. Linear, B. Volumetric, C. Shearing, D. All of the above. Question number 5, what is the unit of stress? A. Newton per meter, B. kg per meter, C. Newton meter, D. It has no units. आंसर ऑफ फिजिक्स फर्स्ट का आंसर है डी. एक्सप्लेनेशन है कंपैरिजन बिटवीन द इंटर एटॉमिक एंड इंटर मॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस. फर्स्ट, बोथ inter-atomic and intermolecular forces are electrical in origin. Second, both inter-atomic and intermolecular forces are active over short distances. Third है general shape of force distance graph for both the forces is similar. Fourth का है both the forces are attractive up to certain distance between the atoms or molecules and become repulsive when the distance between them becomes less than that value. Number second का है D, kinetic energy is less than potential energy. In solids, kinetic energy is less than potential energy. For liquids, kinetic energy is greater than potential energy. For gases, kinetic energy is more greater than potential energy. Answer number 3 का A, strain. The ratio of change in configuration to original configuration is called strain. Strain of the three types: first, linear; second, volumetric; third, shearing. And fourth का आंसर है C, shearing. If the deforming forces produce a change in shape of the body without changing its volume, the strains produced in the body is called shearing strain. Shearing strain is defined as angle in radians through which a plane perpendicular to the fixed surface of the cubical body gets turned under the effect of tangential force. Fifth का आंसर है A, Newton per meter. If an external force F is applied on the area A of body, then stress is given by force per area. Unit of stress SI unit is force का Newton और area का meter. So और CGS unit होगा dyne. Thank you.